Hey, what's up YouTube? It's about the technoboy back with another video of voltage stabilizer repairing, but with the same type of problem. Well, this is MICROTEK AC voltage stabilizer. It's for 1.5 ton AC, and this was having a problem of lower voltage output, like when the input voltage was like around 200, the output voltage was like 160, like that, and the AC was not running at all, the outdoor unit. So this was a problem, and I opened it up and found that the problem was same. This 5-volt voltage regulator IC, this was kind of type of short, a little bit of problem. It was not giving the proper voltage to this microcontroller IC. When this microcontroller IC doesn't get the proper voltage, it doesn't work properly and does not send the signal to the relays properly, so the output voltage effect for that, like lower voltage or like higher voltage, like that. So in this case it was a lower voltage, and I replaced this one, and now it's working fine. As you can see, this is the input voltage, and pressing the button it will show you the output voltage. So it's 236 now, and input voltage is 198. So this was the problem, and it's pretty simple problem, the most common problem I think. I faced two IC, the two type of stabilizer. Well, that's it. And this stabilizer comes with a toroidal transformer, which stays cool most of the time, but the square transformer gets hot heat easily. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Bye bye.